Is it a good idea to install a wind turbine on a roof? Well, it depends. Welcome to Green Lab Pride, your green energy channel. Wind power generation depends on wind speed and direction, but it is also about turbulence, and this is why it may be tricky to install a wind turbine on a roof. There's the possibility that you never get that energy you were expecting.
To show you what happens, I made some simulations of wind around a house and a building so we can understand the problem. A building's roof may look as a good location for a wind turbine because of its height. Here you can observe the great turbulent wake it generated downstream. This is why it is a bad idea to put wind turbines with buildings around. But take a look what happens in the roof. Even when there are no obstacles, the edge of the building generates turbulence, and to get to the clean stream, you need to go higher from the building, and probably it wouldn't look very cool. And what about a house's roof? Here we have the typical form just for the analysis. It is a bad idea to put a wind turbine here or here. Probably you won't get a lot of energy, and this is why you should put it right up here or here. But maybe your neighbors will not be happy having a rotating shadow in their yards, so you should ask for permission.
But as I said, it depends. Probably there are circumstances where wind power generation is possible, or you can find locations to capture a good wind stream.
Maybe in buildings you can install wind turbines in the edges and take the wind before the wake forms. Or perhaps you can design an entire aerodynamic building to take advantage of its height. For example, here you can see what happens if you round the corners. Turbulence is reduced and wind energy generation could be applied.
So you see, it depends. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, push the like button, and see you in the next episode of Green Lab Pride, your green energy channel. Bye.